Very good morning, dear students. For computer term 2, this is lesson number 11, using list and creating a table. Your course for term 2 computer exam, chapter number 5, chapter number 10 and chapter 11. We have done 2 chapters 5 and 10. We are left with 11th chapter, that is using list and creating a table. Okay. Chapter 5, chapter 10 and chapter 11. Okay children. Now let us begin with this chapter, that is using list and creating a table. This is practical chapter and you have to write it in practical portion of computer copy. In very first thing in this chapter is that what is list or what is the need of list. So when we say that what is a list is a great way of organizing data on your website. It's a way of organizing data. Your data seems to be very much organized if it is in list form. Whenever we have to purchase something, we have to go for shopping, what do? We prepare a list. Why? Because when we go through list, it is well organized way. Okay, so list is a great way of organizing data on your web page. Keep writing these definitions in your copy. This definition you have to write in the copy. Next thing, what you have to write in your copy is, there are 2 types of lists in HTML, unordered list and ordered list. Then give heading unordered list. Under unordered list, you will write another unordered list indents each item in the list and adds a bullet against each item. Okay, then you will write the default bullet type for most web browser is disk, DISC. And third point you will write the list begins and ends with UL and /US tag respectively. Okay children. Under UL, you will give next heading, that is LI, list item. Under list item, you have to write these 3 points, that is, to make an unordered list, type UL before the list, write the LI, that is list items tag before every individual item. At the end of the entire list, type UL. Yes children. Next is that you have to write down this whole program in your fair computer copy in practical portion. This program includes UL and /UL and list item, that is LI command. So 3 commands are used here, UL, LI and /LI. After this, if we move to next page, you have to give heading type attributes. Then you have to write 3 types of type attributes, that is disk, circle and square. Disk, circle and square. After writing this, you have to write down this whole program in copy. This program includes UL type. UL type is equals to circle, means what type of bullet we want to give? We are giving bullet type circle. And in next one we have given UL type is equals to square. So here squares are there. Okay children, so type attribute is used here in this program. Next heading, you have to give ordered list. For ordered list, just write down the definition, that is, the ordered list is used to display the list of items in a specific order in a particular way. An ordered list intends and numbers each item in the list. By default, numbers are displayed in the web browser when an ordered list is used. Till here. These two lines you have to write regarding ordered list. Okay, children? Next is now you have to draw this table in the copy. This table with 3 columns: number, style, result and description. Number type is OL type is equals to capital A, so it will give you bullets for capital A, B, C, D. If OL type is equals to small a, it will give small a, b, c. If OL type is equals to capital Roman, it will give you capital Roman, then small Roman and numbers 1, 2, 3. So this table you have to draw in the copy. Next is mark you tag. You have to give heading mark you tag. Then you have to write down what is the use of mark you tag. The mark you tag displays a moving text. The text which keeps on moving on the background of a web page, means it is used to make your web page look attractive and catchy. So it's a text which will keep on moving on a web page. You can add a mark you to your web page by using mark you tag. Then you have to write on this syntax. Okay, children? Then write this program in your fair computer copy. Okay, children, is this much clear? So write down or complete your copy work. Thank you very much.